Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to conduct a ultrasonic pulse velocity test. It's a non-destructive test. So with this test, we identify the quality of concrete, and this is the machine by which we get the time and velocity, and we are going to conduct the test in this pyre. It's pyre number P7 in the right hand side of the bridge in Mandardisa. So these are the professors from Assam Engineering College who will be conducting the test. So this is Dr. Bipul Taludar. He is a professor of Assam Engineering College. So he will be conducting the test in the pyre P7, right inside of the bridge. So this is Dr. UK Nath from AEC. He will assist the test with our other professor. So this is how they are going to attach the equipments with the pyre. So we can see the gel.
Air gap actually.
This is the same gel which is used in the human body for ultrasonic test. So this is how the professors are setting the equipments.
Actually, what happened? We have to do it in the same level. Otherwise, we cannot. If it is diagonal like that, we cannot measure the distance. It is 2 meter. We know that 2 meter. So that is why it should be level here, exactly that location. That side also in the same location. Same location. As far as possible. Utpala to durar para heri kori deba. Ha, level up down. Oh yeah. That is why reference.
So he says that both the equipment should be in the same level in both the sides.
Oh.
এইটো তলত দিছি নহয় স্যার
ওপৰত এইটো কলে চাই
वो जो जॉइंट है ना दिसे वो जॉइंट से कितना दूर है वो जॉइंट से कितना दूर है सेम डायरेक्शन और सेम इसमें 2 अंगुल ऊपर करो ना तो वो ठीक है लेकिन वो जॉइंट से कितना दूर है 2 अंगुल नहीं दोनों से स्ट्रेट लाइन
अगेंस्ट
अरे ये जो जॉइंट है वो नहीं वो वर्टिकल जॉइंट 1 इंच वर्टिकल above the 75 mm 75 mm जस्ट यहां से 75 mm मतलब लाइक दिस सर
नहीं हेरी हुआ नहीं कलर लगा नहीं
Here है.
অলপ বেছি গ'লে এইটো
অলপ বেছি লগাব আগতে দি সামনে সব গেছি না সাকছ না কি গেছি
আহিছে ঠিক আছে
इसको पकड़ सकता ना सर ये एकदम धीरे से ये पकड़ सकता है
हाँ ये पकड़ सकते हो.
सर
730 ये माइक्रोसेकंड है
730
हाँ
nearby overall no
oh near
So what does this value means?
hello actually the signal from one transducer to another transducer it takes 730 microsecond to travel from this point to that point so we can find out the velocity
Okay.
time is calculated
Yeah.
with the help of this one find out with the and the distance is known so
Okay,
distance divided by time becomes the velocity
Yes sir.
and once you know the velocity we can predict the quality of the concrete
Okay,
by
sir.
knowing the velocity
Okay.
but that is a very basic thing
आगे
That's the thing. Your velocity should be around 3,500 kilometer per second.
Okay, that is as per the code, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
As
it is-
per
it is there
IS
in the code.
13311.
Sure.
जब इधर नहीं हुआ
नहीं नहीं
टेप तो होगा शायद हाँ टेप टेप तो नहीं है
हो गया
Sir, how many times we are taking the reading, sir? Usually, how many times we take the reading?
How many times we need to take?
Yeah,
As much as possible.
possible.
Higher the number of readings, better the this one. We
Okay.
take the average.
Okay, sir.
We take the average.
We'll take in the same place or we'll
No, 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 not
we'll
same.
change the place.
We'll change the day. We will go upward.
Okay, okay,
Take all the thing.
okay.
572. আৰু আৰু যাব নে এইফালে ওপৰত
दूर रिफर उठी जाऊँ
नहीं ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है ये एक्चुअली माइक्रो सेकेंड ना यू जस्ट कंसीडर इट इन द माइक्रो सेकेंड माइक्रो लेवल इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है एक सेकेंड का माइक्रो पार्ट এই রেজাল্ট খুলি ল'ব লাগিব দেই এই কাপটো ৰেডি 512
12 ना
इधर इधर फ्लक्चुएटिंग
এবাৰ এনেকৈ আহি পেলাই কৰা ভাল
অঁ সেইটো চাইডৰ পৰা আহিব
নলি নিয়া
এইটোৰ ওপৰত গুচি যাম সেইডাল ধৰি লোৱা
इधर आइए उसको सेम प्लेस में और एक बार करिए सेम प्लेस में और एक बार करिए वो जगह जहाँ पे अभी 512 आया और एक बार चेक करिए इट इज कमिंग 512 और नॉट क्रॉस चेक इट এই মাত্র যেটো ধৰিছোঁ সেইটোতো থাৰ্ড পজিশ্যন
Excuse me, sir. These positions is selected randomly, or do we have any specific
randomly no such rule
Okay, sir.
random just random selection 518
Almost close.
उसमें भी वही थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा था
नहीं ये तो हो गया ये तो एकदम मिनिमम डेविएशन है
So this is how we conduct the non-destructive ultrasound pulse velocity test, and the reference code is IS 13311-1992. So the professor says that we fix the sensor randomly throughout the pyre at various height, and from that we get the time of the wave traveling the concrete or in between the pyre, and from the time and the distance we get the velocity, and the quality of concrete or the grade of concrete is differentiated from the guidelines given in the reference code IS 13311-1992. So this is how the test has been conducted. I am Engineer Sadiq Khan. Thank you very much.